If you're looking to freshen up your home or backyard, you can find home renovation experts, contractors, and products all under one roof at the Winnipeg Home and Garden Show. Contractor and TV host Brian Baumler is a home renovation expert who will appear on the main stage tonight and tomorrow to answer all your burning questions. Joining us now is Brian Baumler's sidekick, Adam Weir. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning.
Brian was supposed to be with us, but he missed his flight, apparently.
He was. The problem is he texted me, he said, I've landed, I've cleared customs. He was delayed by 2 hours, and he said, I'm walking to the gate. Now, walking to the gate is not something that you do if you're behind on a flight.
So you got on the plane, thankfully, and so he sent you to speak on his behalf and talk a little bit about the show and what people can expect. This is we're heading into that spring season where people start thinking about the kind of work that they want to do in and out of their homes. What's your best advice for anybody who wants to get started right now? Best advice would be
do your research. Make sure that you're doing the project that needs to be completed in your home, right? If your roof is leaking, fix your roof, right? Figure out how much money you have to put towards that renovation. Yeah. And it's hard, right? A lot of the times people think they want to do their kitchen, but have no idea where to start. That's why the Winnipeg Home and Garden Show is great. You can talk to a ton of contractors, a ton of trades, and really kind of figure out what things will potentially cost and get a better idea on what you're looking at.
Because often people think it's a certain set cost, but then there's always some other problem somewhere.
Oh, big time.
And I can speak from experience with this because we're having renovations done in our home. There's always some other cost that shows up. So you need to be prepared for any kind of scenario.
Well, that's the thing, right? There's changes in everything. So the more prep you do as a homeowner before that reno, the more success you'll have in that renovation. Because once you hire that contractor, if you don't know what style of trim you want or what kind of doors you want or what paint colors you want, it's going to make that process a lot more difficult. So getting all of that prep done beforehand is key, and then finding that right contractor, right? Mm-hmm. I talk in my talk about hiring the right person and finding good people to work with. And Brian actually started a program called Baumler Approved. God, it's got to be 10 years ago. And it's all about connecting homeowners with good contractors. So it's not to say that they're going to be the right person, but it helps narrow down the search.
Okay. One of your talks that you really focus on is soundproofing as well. These are things that you don't realize you could do ahead of time. You need to think about it because you can't go back and change it, right?
You can't, no. And a lot of the times when we would think soundproofing on the shows is we would just always go to the product that said soundproofing on it. But we never really understood it until we started working with a company called Sonopan.
Okay.
So they're a 4x8 soundproofing panel, but they're more than that. It's a resource of soundproofing techniques. So their website will be able to help you narrow down what you want to soundproof, whether it's airborne noise or impact noise, and how to accomplish that level of soundproofing. Because like you said, you can't go back and do it. So if you're in the midst of renovation, definitely think about it and get some of the areas soundproof.
Okay, we're almost out of time already, but if someone wants to go out there tonight and get some advice from you guys, should they bring photos, dimensions? What do they need?
Oh, geez, give us your address. We'll come by, we'll take a look, we'll help you out.
Oh, I would love that.
But no, come by with some questions. Brian's on stage tomorrow. No, he's on stage today at 5. And then he's on stage at 1 tomorrow. I'm on stage at 3:30 tomorrow, and then 1 on Sunday. So come on by with any questions.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much for doing this, and welcome to Winnipeg.
Thank you.